To send emails from your Apple Watch, first of all, you have to start by opening Apps screen and you have to search for Mail application. When you open this one, as you can see in my case, I'm on the recycle bin, but I have to just go back into the main mailbox. And now if I want to send the message, the email, I will have to click on the left upper corner. And now I can add a contact, add subject, and finally I can create a message. So as you can see, we can find some suggestions when you can click on it, and now it will appear as your message. But if you click just over here, then you will open the text pool, and as you can see in my case, I'm actually using the voice typing, so it's much easier to actually send voicemails from your Apple Watch, because when you decide to switch into your keyboard by clicking on the right bottom corner, as you can see, there's the keyboard, but it's much harder to actually type on this keyboard. It's like super small. You can find, of course, some word suggestions at the top, but it's not actually that useful in my opinion. So yeah, that's basically everything. I hope you find it useful. And now when you click down in the right upper corner, you will actually apply those message. And after that, you can just click send after you input the subject and contact. Thanks for watching.